kuthiwe kuwe i-youth iqala ku-age 18 or 16, inyukele uyawutsho ku-35, you are youth between then. So umuntu kweza age namathuba. So sawunicela ke ngoku nina lutsha, especially lutsha lase-Aberdeen, guys, don't wait for your parents or your elders to do for you. Nina amathuba, get up guys, and go knock by the doors. I can only direct you to social development, NYDA or Agri. Go there and knock and ask for anything they fund that you know that you are good at. For an example, if you're good in Dwanyana, chasana no Agri and see what you can get from there. If you're good in business, chasana no NYDA and see what you can do from there. If you are good with anything like izandla zakho ezikwazi uyenza ukwenza i-couches, to start an NPO, anything that social development can fund, you go there, because bona bafunda into ezinjeyana. So wena ke ngoku ufaka incwasi yakho ku-my friend ayimithise, afumane ivisa, aqala ibhizinesi, sasebenzisa incwasi yakho ba masifumane la way ku-government. Government nayo iyanika. What government is not doing is going back to the shops and see if these shops have got tax numbers and tax these people. And you know what else I know that I've heard about is that these shops is supposed to give back to the community. These shops don't even give back to the community. Everything comes and everything goes to their people where they come from. Yabona, at some time I thought ndokuba these guys are soldiers, because zonke ezi foreigners iwelayo, most of them is guys, especially ezi zoma friend ezi lapha shop, most of them is guys. So I thought these might be soldiers, because these guys, they never come with their chicks over here, their sisters, but they're coming here to take our sisters. You can't even go to their country and do the same things they're doing into your country. You are going, it's either you're gonna go to jail